Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Marissa. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. So today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial. I feel like I haven't done one in such a long time where I've actually did something not as basic with my eyes. As you can tell by the title, everything is under $6. I try to keep all of my products under $6 for you guys. Some products are like $8 or $9, but that's only because I haven't really found anything from the drugstore that's under $6, or I just don't have it and I haven't tried it yet. But that's like 2 products. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Start off with primer, and mine's just like super dirty, but this is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer, the Dewy, and this is really good. I believe this is like $4 or so. It's really inexpensive. And I've been using this primer for a very long time. It's my favorite, just, drugstore primer that gives you a really nice glow. Like, sometimes I just like wearing primer on its own with no foundation, nothing, and go out of the house like this because honestly, look at that glow. I'm glowing. The eyes. So I don't know if you guys watched my 21st birthday vlog, but I did use these in there. Well, I used one of them, and they're by E.L.F, and they are the bite-sized eyeshadow. This one is in rose water, it's just nice pinky tones. This one's neutrals, and this one's called Cream and Sugar. So I have those. I really love this palette. I have to say the matte shade blends really nicely. So they just look like that. That's like the rose water one. And then here's the Cream and Sugar. So I think I'm going to use the Cream and Sugar one only because I already used this one, so I kind of know how it works. I'm really curious to see if this one is just as blendable. So I am going to prime my eyes with a little bit of my Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer. Now, I am not super tan right now, where my foundation and my concealer is for my summer skin, is what I like to call it, because I'm super tan in the summertime, so we're just going to have to work with what we got. I didn't feel like going out and buying a bunch of new makeup, because I just feel like I already had so much stuff that's under $5. I don't have shades on them, so I'm just going to point to the ones I'm using. But I'm going to use this for my crease. This is the only matte shade. Actually, just kidding. This one's a matte shade. But this is the only light shade in the palette, so I'm going to use this. Okay, perfect. What I am gonna do though, because I don't want to just go in with this super dark shade without having some sort of transition from this light shade, I'm gonna take the bronzer that we're gonna be using today. It's also by E.L.F, and kind of work that into the crease. Kind of just go halfway in. Take this dark shade and I'm gonna just start working that into the outer V area. I just don't know what type of brush I want to use. Very pigmented. I'm a little afraid. Sometimes E.L.F with darker shades, I have a hard time just blending the darker shades, so I'm a little nervous. And I think I'm going to go in with both just to see how they both look. And let me see. I I've been loving this little brush from Morphe. It's the E17. It's like a little tapered, like fluffy brush to apply shimmer shades. I don't know why. It's just really nice. So I'm gonna spray the brush with the E.L.F Hydrating Coconut Mist. Okay, and I'm gonna first dip into the darker shade. The shade right here. Okay, those are pretty pigmented. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera here. And my brush is not fully wet. Like when I put my brush on my skin, I don't really feel any wetness. In the center here. Okay, so for foundation today, I have the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. It's a little bit too dark for me right now, but we'll make it work. I believe this retails for like $5 and like 40 cents or something. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to be tan. Like, that is not my shade at all. We're gonna have to blend down the neck. Definitely gotta put on the neck. I am so pale right now. It's fine. It's fine. I'm gonna blend the neck first. A really nice foundation that's really affordable, honestly. So I'm super tan right now. Like, actually it matches me a little bit, but we are gonna apply some concealer, and I know that this one is a little bit too dark for me as well right now, but you gotta work with what you got, you know. So this is also the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. I've used this concealer a lot on my channel, like way back. I really do like this concealer. It's one of the best drugstore concealers in my opinion that I've tried. And we're gonna set the face, and then we'll move back to the eyes and finish off the face. So I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Powder. I believe this is like $5 and like 60 cents again. So everything's under at least $6. We're gonna change that. Everything is under $6. I love this powder so much. There's no flashback. It's brightening, it sets, it's not cakey. It makes everything look just seamless. The light shade and the dark shade, so the two matte shades together. And smoke that on the lower lash line. Oh, we're getting smoky up in here. Ooh, she is looking cute. Apply some mascara. I could not find a mascara under $5 that I like. I've tried a lot of drugstore mascaras, but I haven't found the right one. I know, I heard that Essence, I think, is really good. I haven't tried them. They're mascaras. So, I have 2 mascaras here that are not under $6, but are really great for the price. So, the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise, and then this one's really good, the Revlon So Fierce. I think this one is only $9 compared to the other one, which is like $12. So, this is the only product that's not under $6, but I really tried to go through my collection and really find something that was under $6, but the ones I have I'm not a fan of and I need to get rid of. I've just been really, really lazy. So I'm going to add a little bit of bronzer. I'm already looking tan, but they're these E.L.F bronzers, and these are like the primer infused, and this one's in Forever Sun Kissed. I love it. It's gorgeous. I'm just going to use it to contour today, just because I already look so tan. But I like to use this for contouring. I love using this just for regular bronzer, all over the face. They blend really nicely. Like, and they're such a pretty shade too. I really love them. Okay, now we're looking really bronzed, guys. And then of course can't forget the nose. Also from that line we have the E.L.F Primer Infused Blush, and this one's in Always Cheeky. I've used this on my channel also. I love it. It's beautiful. Just your everyday type of color. Adds such a nice little, you know, pop of color to your face. Makes you look just sun-kissed and flirty. I just love it. I'm a blush queen. Like, I can't live without blush. I will put it on even if there's nothing on my face, no primer, nothing. I will just use it to give myself a little bit of color. I love it. And I always sweep some on my nose. Things I want to show you, one that's under $6, and it's this guy right here. This is the E.L.F. in little baked highlighter in Moonlight Pearls. Everyone I feel like has this. This is the one where you gotta like scrape off the top layer, and then the pigment is there. But also, Wet n Wild has some loose highlighters, which I like. This again is like $5.49, so it's just under $6. It's a little too, I think, dark for me right now. This shade, I don't know what shade this one is because I ripped it off, but it's like a super dark, just like champagne color. I'm afraid that it might be too dark for me. I'm not sure, so I'm gonna test it out on my nose because I really love this loose highlighter. Okay, not bad. A little too dark for me right now. I kind of like insane. But now my nose looks super bronzed, so it's fine. I'm just gonna mix it with the E.L.F. just to, you know, lighten it up a bit and apply that to the cheeks. Oh wow, that's a nice combo. Guys, I'm obsessed. Oh my god, do you guys see that? I'm like blinding. Before we set our face, I am going to do brows. I don't have a brow pencil that's under $6. The only one I have is Ulta, and I think it's like $8. So I'm just going to use this Make Me Brow by Essence and kind of just go over my brows with this. I'm not really sure the best way to use this product, honestly. I am not good at brows. Like, that is just something I'm just not good at, never been good at, so I don't They kind of made them a little fluffy, you know. Set the face now with the E.L.F Hydrating Coconut Mist. You know, I honestly think that's $10. I just don't have a mist that's under $5. So, that's what we're going to do today. But let me look it up. It's $8, not $10. I don't have any face spray that's under $5. I should get Wet n Wild one, but I just haven't had a chance. So, I'm going to use this. It has a nice mist though, like super nice. Woo. Woo. Okay. So I have this NYX Lip Liner. I think this is like $5. I could be wrong, honestly. This video is such a fail because I don't even know the prices of anything, honestly. It's whatever. But this is in the shade Mauve. And it's my new favorite lip liner. I've been using it non-stop. My best friend Gina recommended it to me. And I don't ever use lip liner, like ever, but I've been loving this with some gloss. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some Milani lipstick. These I think are like $5 or $8. I don't know. I don't have any lip products either, other than like some gloss that I'm gonna be using. That is under $5. I had the Wet n Wild like catsuit ones, but those mine are so old, they're so dry now. I've had them for forever. This right here, I think is like $4. This is the NYX Butter Gloss. I could be wrong, but this is like the cheapest lip I have. This one's in tiramisu. My favorite one is Fortune Cookie. It's a little bit lighter, but I don't know where that is actually. So, gotta work with what we got. Okay guys, so that completes this makeup tutorial with everything under at least $6. I know some of the things were a little bit more than $6, but majority of this makeup was under $6 or even under $5, which is such a great price for makeup. You really can't beat it, and the products are amazing for the price. Like, you might be a little skeptical because something's $3, but trust me, I guarantee you it's probably better than something that is $45. Like, everything that I use looks good. Like, honestly, this foundation reminds me of my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation that I just bought, that I've been using a ton recently, that I absolutely love. I think that the finish is honestly the same. Like, I'm loving this makeup look. I kind of forgot that I had this, so I'm really glad I did this video because I'm going to start using this in the summer when I'm a little bit more tan because it doesn't quite match me just yet. I love how this look turned out. I hope you guys really enjoyed. I'll have everything linked down below for you guys in case you're interested or want to try it out. And yeah, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!